Thanks for tuning into the Pro Charging Systems Eagle Performance Series Fault Code Guide. This video will help you understand what the flashing lights on your charger mean, and what quick steps you can take to help resolve the issue at home. The overall timer fault code, which is the flashing 30, 60, and 90 lights, is caused by the charger not being able to charge the battery it's connected to within 20 hours. Usually, this is due to a parasitic drain on the battery from an outside source. Make sure you turn the master key and any other accessories off. If everything has been turned off, then try resetting the charger by disconnecting both the AC and DC cables, and try to charge again. If you get the flashing lights again, then take your battery in for inspection, as it is most likely an issue with the battery. If you aren't sure of something, or need a little bit more guidance, then please give us a call at 615-471-5300 or submit a help desk ticket at www.dualpro.com/support. Our technical support team is always standing by to help out in any way they can. We are available Monday through Friday, 8 to 5 p.m. Central Time. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe for more.